Well, I think there is a ratcheting up of required evidence, and I think that's both within the Home Office but also before the tribunal, and that really concerns me, particularly in the current legal aid world where its funding for reports is getting worse and worse. I think there's a ratcheting up and there's a requirement, which is that more and more and greater expectations are being placed on medical reports. I thought one of the observations that was made in the session that we've just heard earlier about some of the expert report writers, such as Freedom from Torture, Helen Bamber Foundation, etc., being so good because they're well trained and used to using it, means that reports such as a GP's report or a treating clinician's report who is not an expert in the field can be discounted because they don't address the Istanbul Protocol. And I think it was Dr. Cohen who said they should still look at that evidence and treat it properly and give it the appropriate weight. There have been so many different threads already, and I've had lots of different ideas being sparked off from them. The last debate that was entered into just before we broke for lunch was about whether or not there should be some form of accreditation for specialist practitioners in this field of medico-legal report writing for victims of torture. I think that's a really interesting debate. I think it could exclude good people if you make people jump through hoops, or you could make it harder for people who maybe aren't in the areas that are served by expert agencies to get decent reports. I think that Freedom from Torture has got a really important role to play in standard setting and education, and also the tribunal, because it is absolutely crucial that tribunal members in particular understand the import of the reports that medical practitioners give.